Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. Today we are going to discuss bulk transport. As you know, we are discussing transport through plasma membrane. In that, there are three modes, that is active transport, passive transport and bulk transport. We have already discussed about active and passive transport. Clear? Today we are going to discuss bulk transport. Okay, let's start. What is bulk transport? Bulk means ज़्यादा, ठीक है, एक साथ जो है ज़्यादा ट्रांसपोर्ट करना. द बल्क ट्रांसपोर्ट इज मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ लार्ज क्वांटिटीज ऑफ मटीरियल सच एज माइक्रोमॉलिक्यूल्स and food particles across the cell membrane. As I told you, bulk means ज़्यादा, लार्ज अमाउंट, ठीक है. लार्ज अमाउंट में जब प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू इनसाइड और आउटसाइड सेल कोई चीज़ ट्रांसपोर्ट की जाती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज बल्क ट्रांसपोर्ट. क्लियर? The transport occurs both inward and outward, means within the cell or outside the cell. Clear? Accordingly, it occurs by two ways, that is endocytosis and exocytosis. Means दो तरीके से होता है बल्क ट्रांसपोर्ट, that is endocytosis और exocytosis. Endo means सेल के अंदर लेना, एक्जो में सेल से बाहर निकालना. क्लियर? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एंडोसाइटोसिस. द इंजेक्शन आर इनगल्फिंग मीन्स अंदर लेना. द इंजेक्शन आर इनगल्फिंग ऑफ फूड एंड अदर सब्सटेंसेज बाय द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द सेल फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल मीडियम इज कॉल्ड एज endocytosis. Depending upon the substances involved in transport, endocytosis is of two types. What is those? Pinocytosis and phagocytosis. First one, that is pinocytosis. The intake of minute droplets of extracellular fluid by a cell through the plasma membrane is called as pinocytosis or cell drinking. Simply we can say, when the food is taken in the form of liquid droplets, that is called as pinocytosis. Clear? When the food is taken in the form of liquid droplets, बूंद, ठीक है, that is called as pinocytosis. And when the food is taken as solid particles, in that case that is called as phagocytosis. Clear? Pinocytosis was first observed in amoeba. It is important for transport of proteins, lipoproteins and hormones within and outside the cell. मतलब सेल के अंदर एंड सेल के बाहर. In pinocytosis, the plasma membrane invaginate around the फिलवेट पार्टिकल. इन्वेजिनेट मीन्स चारों तरफ से घेर लेना. क्लियर? या फोल्डिंग बना लेना. इन पिनोसाइटोसिस द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इन्वेजिनेट्स अराउंड द फिलवेट पार्टिकल एंड फॉर्म्स ए पॉकेट और वेजाइकिल. दिस पॉकेट और वेजाइकिल देन deepens and pinches off to form a vesicle or pinosome in the cytoplasm. The pinosome subsequently fuses with lysosome, means these food particle vesicles then fuses with lysosomes. Lysosomes is liberate their content, as lysosomes contain digestive enzymes. They liberate or secrete the digestive enzymes. The energy demand for this process is high, which comes from a ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is an energy-rich chemical compound present in the cell. Clear? Next, that is phagocytosis. Phagocytosis, the intake of solid particles by a cell through the plasma membrane, is called as phagocytosis or cell eating. It is a common method of feeding in unicellular organisms such as amoeba and lower metazoans, sponges. Only certain cells in the living organism performs phagocytosis. For example, Kupffer cells of liver, macrophages, reticular cells of spleen, leukocytes or WBC or white blood cells engulf harmful microbes like bacteria, viruses and other microorganisms. Cellular debris and degenerating cells. In phagocytosis, the solid food particles get surrounded by the edges of plasma membrane. A tiny vesicle of phagosome is formed that engulf the solid materials or solid food particles. As a result, the phagosome detaches itself from the cell membrane surface into the cytoplasm. The lysosomes present in the cell fuses with phagosome and forms a digestive or food vacuole. This solid food present in food vacuoles is digested by the powerful digestive enzymes of the lysosomes. Clear? After that, in each case, in pinocytosis or phagocytosis, after digestion, the waste materials are then removed from the body. Pinocytosis and phagocytosis, this is the type of endocytosis. Clear? Now, exocytosis, the process in which membrane of food vacuoles fuses with the plasma membrane to eliminate its waste content into the surrounding medium is called as exocytosis or cellular vomiting or ephagy. मीन्स जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल्स होते हैं उसको सेल से बाहर निकालना, इसको बोलते हैं एक्जोसाइटोसिस और सेलुलर वोमिटिंग और ephagy, EPHAGY. Clear? Phagocytosis is followed by exocytosis. The food vacuoles left undigested materials moves out of the interior of the cell and attaches itself with the cell membrane. The membrane of both food vacuole and cell membrane fuses with each other and release the undigested content outside the cell. Thus, exocytosis helps to remove undigested food substances left in the food vacuoles. Now let us know what is the difference between pinocytosis and phagocytosis. In case of pinocytosis, it involves intake of extracellular fluid. First point, in case of phagocytosis, it involves intake of solid food particles. Next point, in case of pinocytosis, cell membrane does not develop invagination around the absorbed molecule in case of pinocytosis. Now, second point of phagocytosis, cell membrane invaginate around the food particles. Third point, in pinocytosis, lysosomes are not involved in digestion in case of pinocytosis, while in case of phagocytosis, lysosomes are important for digestion of food particles. Fourth point, exocytosis is not needed in case of pinocytosis, while in case of phagocytosis, exocytosis is required to remove the undigested food particles. As you know that in pinocytosis, the food is taken in the form of liquid droplets, so there is no solid remains or undigested food material in case of pinocytosis. Because of this reason, there is no need of exocytosis in case of pinocytosis. Okay, clear? We will discuss next topic in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.